Okay. Well, did you guys have any questions on anything?
I think I'm pretty good. I don't know if I could explain it to anybody right now, but
Yeah. I kind of feel the same way. I feel okay with it.
Yeah.
But should we just start the quiz then?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Okay.
I'm ready whenever you guys are.
Okay, I'm ready. Do you want to just read it, Ashley?
Yeah.
Okay.
While you are required to work, here we go. So when calculating anything, please remember to round to 3 decimal places. The total area under a normal distribution curve must equal what?
I think that's just 1, right?
I think so, yeah. Because if I remember throughout the reading and that everything does equal 1.
Yeah. It was like one of the 2 basic properties.
Yeah, I agree, it's 1.
Okay.
So under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis. True or false?
That's false.
Yeah.
False.
I agree.
All right. A normal distribution curve is symmetric.
That's true.
Yeah, true.
All right. Use the following image to answer the next 2 questions. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score? A, B, or C?
So I think that's C.
That's C.
Yeah, I was going to say C.
Okay.
Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1,000?
That's B.
Yeah, I was going to say B.
B. Okay. I agree.
So according to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what percentage of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean? Right, your answer is a percentage.
So it's 68, right?
That's 68, right. That's within 1 deviation.
Okay. Agreed.
Alright, suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1?
Oh, okay. So between 1 and -1. Let's see.
So if you're using the applet, it gives you the area of this 0.3173.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that would be our answer there.
Okay, what percent will be between -1 and 1? What'd you say it was?
The applet gave the answer of 0.3173.
So I think we need to highlight the part in the middle though, right? To make it between -1 and 1. So I would say it's 0.683.
That's what I got.
Does that make sense to you, Ashley?
No, how'd you get that?
So the blue highlighted part, because the question asks what it is between, what the proportion would be between -1 and 1. So you want to highlight the area that's between -1 and 1. Because at first it highlighted the area below -1 and above 1.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so you just need to switch it. And then just make sure your answers to 3 decimal places.
Okay. Question 10. Suppose that the z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -2 and 2?
Okay. So it's at 0.955.
That's what I'm getting.
Okay. Did you get the same thing, Ashley? Okay.
Alright. Suppose that z-scores come from the standard normal distribution. Give the answer to the guest question. What proportion of the z-scores will be between 3 and -3?
So I think it's 0.997. Which those answers make sense because that would be 68%, 95%, and 99%.
Exactly.
Which
That's
is
what I'm
those. Okay. Oh, that's the next question too.
Yeah, so look carefully at your answers. The last question is what you observe. We said the 6895.97 rule. So
Yeah.
that one. All right. So use the information to answer the next 6 questions. The amount of a protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. They are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. The population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.6 grams p kilograms -1 times d -1 in the population. Standard deviation is 0.07 kilograms p kilograms -1 d -1. What portion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60? Give your answer. Decimal points.
Okay. Let's see.
Sure.
What proportion of the population have a protein?
Which question are you guys on? I had to go answer the door.
Oh, we're on 13.
13? Okay.
So do we find the z-score of that?
I'm not sure.
So I think if we find the z-score of it and then put it into that applet,
Yeah,
we'll talk.
that's what we have to do.
Okay.
He put up 140 yards in the game against the Steelers. It was actually 138, and then they went back and reviewed the tape, and official stats changed it from 38 to 140. Just 24 hours ago. Going to the slot right here. There's a running back. You can see the respect they have for him right there, Jeff. He runs that little blue road wrong, he's going to give it to him. They don't give it to him, and that'll allow Howard to have a big hole right up the middle. Monday, seems a little down. Snap out of it. New remedy. Every way, CBS Monday. Yes, a new episode of NCIS New York, CBS Tuesdays.
It runs awful.
Cares to believing. The end of the road is where the real change is.
Okay, I got 0.762.
I'm working mine.
Okay.
You asked him a dumb question, apparently.
So that is made of high-strength steel or is less susceptible to puncture than aluminum. Current Chevy Silverado.
What answer did you get?
I got 0.762.
Oh, you're on 14.
Yeah, 13.
Yeah. 14, right?
No, we're in question 13.
Oh, okay.
What'd you get, Ashley?
I'm not even sure how you're getting that because I'm not getting that.
Okay. So what I did is I found the Z-score. So you take the 0.60 and then you minus the mean of 0.65 and you divide it by the standard deviation of 0.07. So for the Z-score, I got negative 0.714. And then I put it into the normal probability applet because then it wants to know what percent is lower
Mm-hmm.
than that. So you put in 0.714 in the Z-score, and then you're going to highlight the area that's underneath that one. So you're going to highlight the middle and the left side. And the area would be 0.7624.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that what you got, Deborah?
I'm getting something else.
What are you getting?
I'm getting 0.238. I'm going to rework mine.
Okay.
Well, thanks a lot, Jim. I spoke with head official John Hussey, and he told me that the weather is supposed to clear by about 8:31. He also said he's going to notify the team every 5 minutes with updates. Once they are cleared, they can take the field, and they will have about 3 to 5 minutes to warm up, and then they can resume again, assuming there's no more lightning in the air.
Down all down to the stadium.
Gotta give it to John Wesley. It's 8:30, they didn't say 8:35. He said 8:31. You're very well refereeing a game, and you've got it down to the minute. That'll be about, what, 15 minutes time. You ever been in a situation?
And my computer's freezing up here for a minute. I'm hoping it'll.
One time I did, it makes me go back and start over. This might be that good thing for Chicago. This gives them a chance.
Well, let's carry on.
What was that?
Let's just carry on.
Carry on. Oh, okay. So then for 14, it wants to know how much is more than that. So you just highlight the right side of it.
Which I'm getting 0.2376. So if you round that up, it'd be 0.238.
Yep, that's what I got too.
Okay, so then question 15 is asking which would be less than 0.70.
Okay. So I think we do the same thing as
Yeah.
13, right?
Uh-huh.
So I think it's essentially the same answer if it's more than 60 and less than 70. More than 0.60 and less than 0.70.
Yeah, I'm getting,
Yeah, same answer.
yeah. Yeah.
We get a play resumed. Again,
Alright, so find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.60 and 0.70.
there's Aaron Rodgers. Stand right. Here goes Aaron Rodgers today. Good job. Just thinking of the right play.
Okay. So to find the probability, we just subtract the lesser value from the greater value. So what did you guys get for 15? Did you say it was the exact same as 13?
Same thing. Yeah.
Because I actually got 0.714. I got it just a little bit different.
I got the same thing.
Maybe 2.
You got the same thing too? Okay, hold on. I did something wrong. Oh, yeah, I did. Sorry, that was my fault. Okay, yeah.
Crazy weather here in your home state. We had on Sunday, it was 90 degrees at kickoff, which was the warmest home game in Green Bay Packer history. Just down the road at Soldier Field, the Bears had their warmest game in over a
Okay, actually, I guess I was wrong on how to do 16 then.
on Sunday, and then the big storm came through here Tuesday night. No one was expecting anything like this at game time tonight. Again, it was supposed to be just a partly cloudy, comfortable night. It was 64 at kickoff. So we can drop into the mid-50s. This is insane. I mean, look at the wind. The winds are shifting.
How are you guys doing with that question?
No, I'm referring back to my notes here.
Okay.
So
So I'm looking through the actual reading. Looks like we take the x value minus the u1 and divide that by the o. So we take the greater value minus the lesser value and divide that by.
We're going to take you to the studio. We continue your delay of Thursday Night Football.
And at least they're staying warm. Okay.
I think we just subtract them, right? You take the greater value and then subtract with the lower value. That's how it was in the preparation.
that's what I'm looking at in my notes here.
But they're the same, so I don't. That's my dilemma. Oh, no, wait, sorry. I think we take the answer to 15 and subtract the answer to 14. Because it needs to be more than 60.
Which do that and I get is 0.524.
Yep, me too.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting.
Okay. Awesome.
So question 17 says to find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults.
Okay. Oh, okay. Do you guys know how to do that one? Because I think I know how to do it. So I think in the applet, if you put 0.35, because it's 0.35%,
Mhm.
and then figure out the z-score. So the z-score would be 0.385. And then you plug it into the formula of the z equals x minus the mean divided by standard deviation.
That would be Lightning at Lambeau.
So if you do 0.385 equals x minus the mean, which I can't remember what the mean is. Oh, 0.65 divided by 0.07. And we solve for x.
Oh, nothing. I mean, they're trying to play football game. No one wants the second halftime before the first one. So it's going to be difficult for guys to stay rhythm. You're going to want to go warm up again, but they'll usher you back on the field, and then they'll feel like you're starting the game all over, but it's already started. So it's a weird feeling. All right, let's break down what we've seen the first 15 minutes. And Green Bay playing without its bookend tackle. Yep, both are inactive. Aaron Rodgers, we expect a lot.
I got 0.623.
Exactly, and I like their philosophy coming in. They decided that, okay, yes, I understand now. We're limited up front. We don't want to get.
I got something different. I got 0.677. I'm going to try it again.
Me too.
That's why they're able to do that. And then the quick passing game has been effective. And then Chicago just hasn't been very good on offense for this side. Michael has connected on 3 of 4 passes. However, 2 critical turnovers, a pair of fumbles so far, one that bounced off his knee, waiting for Scott to snap. What's going on with the Chicago offense? And sometimes I feel like when I'm watching and they're down 14-0, it feels like 28. And it did. You said that earlier. It did feel like it was down 28-0 fourth quarter because there really wasn't a lot of firepower. No post really up front. I mean, you try to play action pass early in the game, first play of the game, Phil Matthews obviously comes around. I get that you guys can run the football, but play action pass is a little bit of a stretch on the first play, especially if you guys crank up. And then this is almost lateral. Just some bad down the field mechanics for the route.
What'd you guys get for the z-score?
We were going to dump it down, and they went last week. They went all the way into the fourth quarter, 5 minutes left before receivers caught a pass. So you're seeing a lot of the same stuff.
I'm reworking mine to see if I got the wrong one.
Oh, okay.
Not sure I'm doing my math correct here.
Because of the lack of firepower on the outside, how much is Mike Glenn to blame? Mike Glenn, he's not to blame. I think that he's a good football player. He's a quarterback that has played well in this league before. He's a guy that I think is a good fit for them. I think he's a guy that can come in and he can hold the position. But Mitchell Trubisky is the future of this football team. And I think something wrong when you listen to him, he was saying some good things about this team is a pretty good offensive line up front. If you can run the football with those backs, and then if you had a quarterback that could move the pocket, that could get out on the edge, get on the perimeter, much like what we saw Mitchell do in the preseason, looked fantastic at it. Is he ready? I don't know. I'm not in that huddle. I'm not in the locker room. I don't know what he's going through day in and day out, how he's understanding the verbiage, understanding how to play quarterback. But physically, what I saw, he would be a perfect fit for this offense right now and get a little bit of a spark. He was the second pick of the 2017 draft. He was the first pick of the 2002 draft. He started from game 1. But look at that one. 15 years, you got 2 grades. Yeah, that's what's going on there. When do you think he's ready? I understand that we're not inside of the locker room, but this is a team that is rebuilding. They got to see it at some point. No, I agree. I think that the only people that are going to really know are his quarterback coach, the guys that see him every day and see the progress that he makes. I think that they'll show you. He won't really show you on the practice field. That's the hard part. We talked about that a little bit earlier too. It's really he's just running scout team, so it's hard to stay in rhythm of your offense when you're running really after stuff all week. So for him, a lot of it's going to be in the film room. Is he prepared? Is he asking questions pre-game? The night before, does he get it? It's hard to tell. I think they look great during the preseason. I mean, great. He did, really did. And again, it's a different animal. But there are Bears fans that are out there clamoring for Mitchell Trubisky. And I understand. And honestly, if I was him, I think that I would feel good enough with what I saw in the preseason. And honestly, how this team is built. It's not like you're going to ask him to come out there and throw the ball 40 games, right? They don't just do it for wide receivers. All he wants you to do is run the ball, get some play action off of it, like what we saw with Aaron Rodgers. We third one to Martellus Bennett. You
Did you get an answer, Ashley?
I'm not sure if I'm doing this right because I'm getting something less than you guys. I get like a 0.48.
28.
Uh-huh.
Okay. What are you doing?
So I'm looking at this right, and I'm not even sure I'm computing in the right numbers at this point. Because like I take the 0.358, and then I have the 0.07 with the x, so I take the 0.07 times that by add that, to the 0.358, and this is where I'm getting my number. So I might.
You're doing 3.58. I think it's 3.85.
Is it?
Yeah, I absolutely. I think that you're right. I mean, Green Bay, they're going to figure out. Obviously, they'll get guys back. The tackles become healthy.
Yeah, when I do this, I get like a 3.92.
Let's see if I can get this on the camera. It's all backwards. All right. Well, do you want me to just say step by step what I did to see if we're doing it the same?
Yeah.
That sounds good. Yeah.
Okay. So I did 0.385 equals x minus 0.65 divided by 0.07. So the first thing you do is times both sides by 0.07.
Mm-hmm.
So I brought that over to the side. So I have 0.07 times 0.385 equals x minus 0.65. So then you add 0.065 to each side. So then you do 0.07 times 0.385 plus 0.65. So first I did 0.07 times by 0.385, which I got 0.02695, and then plus 0.65, which equals 0.67695, which I rounded to 0.677. Does that seem right to you guys, or did I do it wrong?
That sounds reasonable. I was just trying to figure out where I went wrong here in my calculation.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I get when I go through and do the same thing.
You say that is what you got?
Yeah.
Okay. So then 0.677.
Yeah, they're gonna come back on.
And then the next question's basically the same thing, just with 80th instead of 35th.
Right.
So for the 80th, I got the z-score of 0.842, and then just did the same thing. So just let me know when you guys have an answer for that. So I got 0.709.
What'd you get for it?
I got 0.709.
Okay. Yeah, that's the same thing I got.
Cool. Did you get that, Ashley?
What'd you say you got?
0.709.
There were going into the game. There were forecasts that were threatening skies, and sure enough, yes, a tornado warning was issued, and everyone was sent in. Teams were sent in, and all of the fans that were over.
Okay, yeah. I got it.
Okay. Okay. So that's right.
The Bears 4 years ago, and one of those situations. Facility here that,
So it looks like we missed 3 of them.
go through the Hall of Fame, go through the tour and
I don't know what I did wrong there.
We've multiplied up here. We've added a couple of
I don't know. I'm gonna have to keep going over these, I guess, tonight.
Practice makes perfect, so.
Yep. I'll just have to keep practicing, I guess. Well, do you guys have anything else you want to talk about?
I don't think so.
No, I think we probably just need to practice.
Yeah, I think so too. All right. Well, then I will see you guys next week.
Okay, see you on Tuesday.
Okay. Have a good weekend.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.